You don't know me, and I don't know you, and we're not having this conversation at all. You are rude and uncouth and presumptuous, and I am leaving now.
Jack, Mr. Dawson, it's been a pleasure. I sought you out to thank you, and now I have thanked you.
And you've insulted me.
Well, you deserved it.
I thought you were leaving.
I am. You are so annoying.
Haha.
Wait, I don't have to leave. This is my part of the ship. You leave.
Ho ho ho! Well, well, well. Now who's being rude?